Okay. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, hey guys, this is test number 2. In this one, we're just gonna be doing a small gaming test, maybe play a round of Adventure at Sea. But this time, I'm actually gonna evaluate what I'm doing before I upload the thing to the channel. So, anyways, here we go. Actually, screw that. We're not playing Adventure at Sea. You know what? Let's play Adventure at Sea. Alright, let's watch me lose, everybody.
Welcome to Lotus New Game. Lotus
Select a file 2, file 3.
Here we go. Alright, now guys, I have a 90% chance of getting over this thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, I was talking. Alright, let's do this again, boys and girls, whoever's watching. Alright, 3. Oh my god, thank god I got over that. Alright, got that thing.
Your health was restored.
More viruses. Here we go.
Your health was fully restored.
Alright.
Kind sir. I am trying
Now, this is the hardest part. If I don't pass this part, then the video stops. If I don't, it keeps going. Or, I mean, if I do, it keeps going. Obviously.
No. No.
Alright. Alright, let's do this again. That was
Hello,
cheap.
kind sir.
Keep them away. I must keep
them away. I must keep my zip files. I'd have to say this is probably the hardest game I play. Because they're coming from all different directions. I think the most I've killed in this game were like 5. Got that one. Come on. Alright, this could make the video interesting, people. Because if I pass this, it would be the first time I ever did.
No.
Alright, I knew that wouldn't happen.
You let me down. What?
I knew I let you down, buddy. I'm
Why,
sorry.
why?
I love you. I love you, buddy. Anyway, people, this wasn't meant to be a full-on gaming session. I was just testing. Anyways, I hope that this works, because I'm really looking forward to using this more than just using my iPhone. So yeah, see y'all later.